In this activity, we are going to be listening out for our phonic of the week. Can you remember what our phonic is? Our sound? It is O. Can you remember the action? Good job. I'm going to read it, and as I am reading it, I would like you to look at the words with me. Let's go. Oakley the toad. Oakley the toad had oats and milk for his lunch yesterday. Today he moaned and groaned when his mum said, "Oats and milk? I shall start them soaking." "No, Mum," he said. "Can I have some toast?" "We don't have a loaf for toast," said Mum. "But we have a toaster to toast," he croaked. "I can cook a roast," Mum croaked. "I like a roast," Oakley said. "Can I tell my pals Tom the stoat and May the goat?" Now what I want you to do, boys, is if you're able to print this out, you can print it out. And what I want you to do is get your pencil and put a circle around all the words that have your O sound in them. I'm going to show you one now. I found one straight away. Oakley. Oh, here's the O sound, Oakley. Can you see it? When you have that done, you can take a picture if you like and upload it.